guys, so in this episode here, we have from DNA Motoring a high flow factory style cleanable air filter. And of course we went with the blue because everything else is blue. But this came from DNAmotoring.com. So all you gotta do is just snap this bad boy up. Just like so. Pull the old filter out. There's no ladybug in there. So before I install it, we will take a towel here and some alcohol. And just wipe this up real good. This one here basically goes just like that in the same spot. There we go. So that's about all there is to installing a high flow factory looking air filter. That's about it. Let's start it up and see if it sounds any different. You're probably wondering, why didn't we just go with a cold air intake? Well, we will eventually, but as of right now, for just a budget, better air cleaner, we just went with like a factory cleanable one. The cold air intake performance one that gives it more horsepower, it's about $300 something. So we're going to wait a little while till we get a little bit more budget, and then we'll add cold air intake and stuff to the Fit and see if it increases any gas mileage and stuff like that. So anyway, hopefully y'all like this short and sweet video. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the thumbs up. And until next time, keep it simple.